Today I'm going to be changing the battery in my John Deere 317 skid steer. It's actually a pretty easy job, but I wanted to show you how to do this. You take off this side panel that's here in the back on the right side of the engine if you're standing behind the skid steer. Then you take off this one nut right here, which that is going to then allow this bar, which has a little groove back here, to be taken off. You lift it up, pull it out of this groove, and then you will have access to the battery. At that point, you just take off positive and negative terminals. You've got to take off this coolant holder, and that again is just going to be two little nuts that you don't even have to take off. You just loosen these, and then this whole thing is going to come off, and then you have full access to your battery. So let me get to that so I can show you what it looks like. So I am out here pressure washing while I do this so I can clean it up a little bit, but as you can see here, I took off the container. Here it is, and it's just got these two bolts on the back, these little two carriage bolts that are holding it on there. I took off the positive and negative terminal cables. And then I've also got, of course, that bar taken off, which is laid down here. But that's it. Now I can just pull this battery out. As you can see here, I pulled the battery out. This is the ground cable, and I've got the power cable here. You got a nice big open area here. I've cleaned it out. I actually recommend doing that. Clean these things out. I'm going to pull that bottom plate down there off and clean the rest of that out. Good time to do some maintenance. I cleaned up this entire compartment. I even dropped the lower pan down there because there was a lot of dirt and stuff down there. But when you're in here, you might want to clean up so you're not rusting out your housing here. This is getting to be a little bit older machine though, so the paint and rust is typical. And that's it. Now I'm going to put the new battery in and bolt it all back in. I hope that was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.